Hey friends, if Zoom keeps on crashing on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So before anything else, go to status.zoom.us, and this is where you can check the status of the Zoom application. So depending upon your region, you can check the status of the Zoom application. Okay, right now everything is operational, but if it isn't, then it will show in this list. The next solution is to update the Zoom app. Now, how do we do this? Open Zoom, and I'll open the Zoom app for you, and then I'll click on my profile picture here, and then I'll click on check for updates, and it says update available, so it is already installing the update. The third solution is to disable hardware acceleration, and this solution will fix the problem in 99% of the cases. So click on your profile picture, select settings, go to video, click on advanced, and then uncheck the boxes for use hardware acceleration for. The last solution is to reinstall Zoom from the Microsoft Store, but first close all instances of Zoom. Okay. Now, if you have downloaded Zoom from the website, it's not bad, but still you can uninstall it and download it from Microsoft Store, which is the best option. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to apps on the list on the left hand side, select installed apps, and then scroll down to Zoom. Since it starts with Z, it must be at the bottom of the list. Click on the three dots here, select uninstall, then click on uninstall once again. And it will need a while to uninstall Zoom. Then once it is uninstalled, click on the Microsoft Store to open it. If you don't find it here, then search for the Microsoft Store in the Windows search bar and open it, and then search for Zoom in the search bar. Click on Zoom and then click on install. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.